Everybody, I have got my generator running. You can probably hear it. What I'm going to do is to try to run this camper off the generator. Okay. Let's see. Now, the moment of truth. There we go. I heard the sound go down a little bit. The generator bogged itself down a few minutes. We're just going to see if this thing works. Horse pucky. That's nothing but horse pucky, I tell you. Horse pucky. Alright, that's good. Cold air. Cold air coming out of there. You can hear it. And if you was here, then you could feel the cold air coming out of that thing. This is my radio, my boombox. I'm going to turn it on. And I'm going to listen to the music on here. But I don't want any copyright strikes for listening to it.